Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. Don't want to start from scratch? Skip the blank canvas and use a template to jumpstart your design. If you want something even more stunning, you can buy professional designs from the Wix Template Marketplace. Today, we'll show you how to buy studio templates so you can build your ideal site in minutes instead of hours. Just a few heads up from Wix first. Studio plans are not included when purchasing studio templates. Some templates might include apps that require additional payment. Invoices for template purchases in Israel aren't set automatically. If you need a specific invoice, please contact Wix customer care. And with that out of the way, let's get started. On your workspace, go to Resources at the top, then select Template Marketplace. Here, browse through some templates and select one you like. If you like a template, click on it. And if you'd like a better view, preview it by clicking View Template. Here on the preview mode, you'll be able to preview your website in desktop mode, tablet mode, and mobile mode. When choosing a template, see if it aligns with your vision and structure. And once you decide this is the one you want, click Purchase over here. The corresponding price will also be shown. Next, input your details over here. Once you're done, click the checkbox for I understand this template may only be used once. Once you're good, click Continue. Now, take care of your billing details as well as your preferred payment method. Your order summary will show up here on the right as well. Once you're done inputting all of your billing details, make sure to review them. After that, make sure to read their terms and conditions, privacy policy, and Wix's terms of use. Once you agree to those terms, tick this checkbox and click Place Order and Pay. Once the payment is successful, make sure you click Add to Sites so that the template will be added to the Sites tab on your workspace. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.